Hey, what's up guys, again back to you guys with a brand new video of HTML and CSS. Today we're going to learn about CSS 2 with HTML basics, and we will continue with basic HTML and basic CSS and basic HTML and another programming language, so much like that. We will just mess up all the things and learn very fun. So guys, back to you with a brand new video. Here, Kovid Panthy, aka Color Kovid. So without getting said, let's get started. So today we're going to learn about CSS2 because we had just created like this site, as we will see. Open in browser, and if you see, this is kind of not good in design. We have just written the code but hasn't designed it. So what we will do is we will firstly create a new file and save it. Okay, here, and we will name it as style.css, and the extension of CSS file is CSS, and you can see all our info is ready. So what we will do is we will just adjust the fonts. So let me first of all download the fonts. Let us consider fonts CSS. So if I search like this here in Google Fonts, we will search for Google Fonts, Fonts Google, and here you can see fonts.google.com. So as I do here, and here you can see a good type of fonts. So let me first of all see which font is nice. Yeah, I saw this one is nice. So here you can see select the font, click on that, and click on here, and here you can see add import. So click on this and copy from add import to semicolon. Copy it and paste it here, giving a comment. So in CSS we will give comment like this: /* asterisk, and close it by / asterisk / and fonts import. So after that we will paste the code here and save it. Now what we will do is make full body, hold this body tag to a font family. So font is described by font family in CSS. So font family, and here you can see open plus sans, because you should copy this after this family equals something and before this colon. So copy it and paste it with semicolon. So after we save and refresh, nothing happens. Why? I will tell you why. We have created style.css file but haven't linked it to our HTML. So for linking, click link, rel equals style sheet, type equals text/css, and ref equals to the folder or file. So mine is style.css, and as I save and as I refresh, just a minute, something is wrong. So let me do it like this, and as I do, yeah, now it's working well. So yeah, this is happening. Now we want these links to be as usual font family. So For that, you can see here, as I do inspect element and hover to it, you can see it's a tag, and in my code editor also you can see it's a tag. So you can also write P. So we will write P for now. Here after this P, inside P there is a, and the A1 we want to change the font family. So here we want font, and my mistake, and the basic and default is sans serif. So we will enter this, and as I refresh, once I will refresh it, now you can see this Facebook has changed, but you can see YouTube hasn't changed. Why? I want to show you. It's inside P. Inside P there is a, and we made for it, but not for the A without P. So if I put this P tag here also, then I can get same. Yeah, you can see it's nice. It's looking great. Now we will know about one more function, that is font size. So we want this font size to be a greater one. So what is this? Let me see. This one. So we have to put a P with a class of, class denotes what to put the ID of P. So beside giving class, I will give an ID. So you can understand very nicely. So I will give the ID of description. And as I save, and how you can give the ID, initialize ID in CSS. So to do that, the ID of this ID is of P tag. So we will write P, and ID is denoted by hashtag and description. And now we have got the code for using this. So we will set the font size as 22 pixels. So here, as I do it and as I refresh, you can see its font size is big. So we want this as not a 25 pixel, but we want it as a 20 pixel. So as I save and as I refresh, you can see it's nice. Now we want another function, that is background one. So first of all, you have to check the background, which background you want. So I am setting background as this color. So I will just copy this color and go to my text editor. Now here, if we want to set background for the body, the whole body, you can go to this tag. So inside body, we will put background color. We are putting color, so color. If you are putting image, you should do background only. So as I save and as I refresh, you can see. Now something is messy. You know, these are not matching. This color are not matching. So I will put here, and to denote text color, you have to do just color. Color means text color. So I will put as full white, that means FFF. So as I save and refresh, you can see it's nice. But these Facebook and YouTube hasn't changed yet. So to do that, you can simply go to a tag. So this is the p tag, a tag which is under p tag, so which we just created. So inside this we will just denote color and hashtag FFF. Yeah, you can see. Now here we want this hyperlink as a black one. So to do that, we will just do is inside P there is A, and inside the A there is a link, and for that link we want the color of 000, that is black. So as I refresh, nothing changes. I think here you can put a P, A and visited. As I save, refresh, you can see I have changed this. So this was just a video to demonstrate HTML with CSS. In next video we will learn about more HTML tags and CSS side by side, and we will also put some videos on JavaScript. So for that, stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And this is the playlist. You can go to that playlist and know about something. So bye for now. I will meet you in the next one.